July 26, 1875. A stagecoach comes over Funk Hill in Calaveras County, California. A man steps into the road. Long linen coat, bowler hat, and a flour sack pulled over his head, with 2 holes cut for the eyes. He raises a shotgun at the driver and says, "Please throw down the box." The driver looks past him, up into the rocks, and counts 6 rifle barrels pointed down at the coach. He throws down the box. The rifles were sticks, branches, propped in the rocks at the right angle. There was nobody else on that hill, and there never was. Over the next 8 years, that man robbed 28 Wells Fargo stagecoaches and never fired a single shot. He never took a thing from a passenger. He wanted the green strongbox, the one belonging to Wells Fargo, and nothing else. He robbed on foot because he was afraid of horses. He walked away over the hills, alone, every single time. Twice, he left a poem behind in the empty box, only twice out of 28, and it made him immortal. Here I lay me down to sleep, to wait the coming morrow. Perhaps success, perhaps defeat, and everlasting sorrow. He signed it, Black Bart, the P.O.8. The newspapers called him the Poet Highwayman. Then he stopped. 23 more robberies, and not one more verse. The legend was already running without him. In San Francisco, there lived a respectable gentleman named Charles Boles, well-dressed, gold watch chain, said he owned mines. His neighbors had no idea. He was a Civil War sergeant, wounded at Vicksburg, who had marched with Sherman to the sea. He also had a wife and 4 daughters back east, who had spent years believing he was dead. November 3rd, 1883. Funk Hill again. The same hill as the first one, 8 years later. This time it went wrong. A young man with a rifle came up the road, shots were fired, and Bart ran, hit in the hand. He left things behind him: some food, a pair of eyeglasses, and a handkerchief with a laundry mark stamped in the corner. FXO7. 2 detectives carried that handkerchief around San Francisco, laundry after laundry, for weeks. At the 90th laundry, somebody recognized the mark. It belonged to the gentleman with the watch chain. Wells Fargo charged him with 1 robbery out of 28. He was given 6 years in San Quentin. He served 4 years and 2 months. In January 1888, he walked out, old, half deaf, and going blind. Reporters were waiting. They asked if he would rob again. He said, "No, gentlemen, I am through with crime." One of them asked if he would write more poetry. He laughed. "Did you not hear me say I am through with crime?" That November, a stage was robbed and a poem was left behind. Wells Fargo's own detective examined it and called it a fake, which is where the rumor started, that Wells Fargo was quietly paying him to stay retired. The company denied it. February 28, 1888. A man matching his description checked into a hotel in Visalia and left a bag in the room. Tinned beef, coffee, crackers, 2 neckties, and a pair of cuffs marked FXO. He never came back for them. Nobody ever saw him again. Every town has a legend, and some of them are the man the town decided to let go.